character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Karikalambakkam.
I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK. Knowledge forever, love forever. Textbook friends, 3C for sure. Lovely teachers and for wisdom. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dilliyanur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.
Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are all fine. Welcome to Higher Secondary. Hope you all enjoyed your 10th standard and studied well and have promoted to Higher Secondary. Hope you will achieve lot in your Higher Secondary. From the day one, start reading your syllabus. Don't omit any of the thing. So from the day one, plan for your lesson and go according to it so that you can score good marks. All the best, my dear students. Achieve well in your life. Okay. Now we'll go to the lesson. Okay, my dear students, now we'll go to the lessons content. Actually, we are having 6 prose, 6 poem and 6 supplementary. Okay, ma. This is the syllabus for your English. Okay. So in unit 1, prose will be the portrait of a lady. Poem, once upon a time. Extended reading means it is a supplementary reading. Okay. Supplementary reading after 20 years. In unit 2, the prose will be the queen of boxing. Poem, confessions of a born spectator. In supplementary reading, a shot in the dark. And unit 3, prose will be forgetting. Poem, lines written in the early spring. Supplementary reading, the first patient play. And in 4th unit, the prose will be the tight corners. Poem, activity, the Mr. Cat. Extended reading means it is a supplementary reading. Okay, with the photographer. Now we'll see the 5th unit. In 5th unit, prose will be the convocation address. Poem, Everest is not the only peak. A supplementary reading, the singing lessons. In unit 6, the prose is the accidental tourist. Poem, the holocron. Supplementary reading is never nest. Okay, so totally we are having 6 poems and 6 prose and 6 supplementary. So it is very easy and the topics also happy. You can enjoy your class. You can enjoy and read your class very well. Okay, ma. So all the contents are very easy for you to learn. If you are not able to understand anything, just clarify your doubts immediately to whatever subject it is. Your teachers are ready for you to solve your problems. Okay, ma. Now we'll start with unit 1, the portrait of a lady. Who is the author here? The author is Khushwant Singh. Who is the author here? The author is the Khushwant Singh. Now we'll see about the author. So who is the author here? Khushwant Singh. He is the Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh is an Indian novelist and a lawyer. Okay, ma. Khushwant Singh is actually an Indian novelist as well as a lawyer. He studied at St. Stephen's College, Delhi and King's College, London. Where he studied? He studied at St. Stephen's College in Delhi and King's College in London. Then he joined the Indian Foreign Service in 1947. Then he joined the Indian Foreign Service where? In 1947 as a writer. He is best known for his keen secularism, scarism and love for poetry. In this, what you have to do is you have to underline the word sacrism and secularism and you have to write the meaning for this. This is the homework I am giving for you. He served as the editor of several literary and news magazines as well as 2 newspapers. Apart from that, he was also editing what, ma? News magazines as well as 2 newspapers. Khushwant Singh was awarded with Padma Bhushan in 1974 and also he was awarded as a Padma Bhushan in 1974. Padma Bhushan by the Government of Indian and Sahitya Academy. Okay, ma. So he was awarded by the Government of India and Sahitya Academy, fellowship by the Sahitya Academy of India. The Mark of Vishnu, A History of Sikhs, The Train to Pakistan, Success Mantra. These are the famous rights of him. Okay, we Indians and Death at My Doorstep are some of his brilliant works. So these are the brilliant works of him. What are the brilliant works of him? The Marks of Vishnu, A History of Sikhs, The Train to Pakistan, Success Mantra, We Indians and Death at My Doorstep are some of his brilliant works. So this is about the Khushwant Singh. So where and when was Khushwant Singh born? Who was Khushwant Singh? And what all the things he was doing? And what homework I have given? What is the meaning for secularism and schism? You have to write the meaning on this word. Okay, upon that word you have to write the meaning. Now we'll see the glossaries of this lessons. Okay. What is the glossary? Glossary already you know it is a meaning. So in this lesson we'll see the meaning for this lesson. Mantelpiece. What is the mantelpiece? Mantelpiece. Shelf projecting from the wall above a fireplace. It is a shelf projecting from the wall above a fireplace. What is the meaning for absurd? Inconsistent or illogical. Fabulous. Fables you all know it is a tales or stories. Hobbled. Hobbled means walked unsteadily. He is not able to walk steadily. He is not able to walk steadily. What is the meaning for pucker? To contract the face into the wrinkles. After the people get age, no, you can see some wrinkles. Wrinkles means what? Surkan solvanga in the face. That is called as wrinkles. Expense means what ma? Widespread. Okay. Next. Monotonous. What is the meaning for monotonous ma? Unchanging or boring. Either it will be unchanging or else it will be boring. Okay. Snapped. Snapped means broke or cut. Seculation. What is the meaning for seculation? It is an isolation. Bedlam means noisy confusion. There will be some noise and we will be having some confusion. Preached. Sat or rested. Rebukes. Scoldings. If somebody is scolding you, you can use a new word, rebukes. He is rebuking me. Dilapidated. What is the meaning for dilapidated? Dilapidated means damaged. Pallor. An unhealthy unhealthy pale appearance. Next, shroud. A cloth used to wrap a dead person. Shroud means what? A person who after dying, no, they will be wrapping some cloth, no, that is called as shroud. Okay, now we'll go to the lesson. What is this ma? This is nuclear family and this is joint family. Nowadays people are living in only a nuclear family. They are not living in a joint family because now as we are all going very fast and we are all running, we are not able to live in a joint family. Nuclear family means what? Who will be in a nuclear family? This is small family. Only the parents and the children will be staying in the nuclear family. In joint family there will be father, grandfather, cousins, relations like nephews, aunties. They are all called as joint family. But when I was a childhood, no, during our holidays we used to go to our grandmother's house. We enjoy everything. But nowadays, even though we are having lot of holidays, what we are doing? We are attending our online class. Okay, we are not going out and enjoying anything in our grandparents' house or our relations or cousins, nephews. We are not going anywhere. We are all busy attending the online class for a higher secondary. Okay, now we will enjoy our online class. Okay ma. Now we will go to the lesson. Here is a story that brings about the bond between the author and his loving grandmother. The story is about whom? Author Khushwant Singh and his loving grandmother. Actually everyone love your grandmother, is it? Me too love my grandmother very well, but now she is not with me. My grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, was an old woman. Grandmother means who? Grandmother means she is a old woman. But nowadays grandmothers are not being very old, is it? They are being very youth, cheerful and charmful. So those days my grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, was an old woman. Okay ma. She had been old and wrinkled for the 20 years that I had known her. How he was? When Khushwant Singh was seeing her for 20 years. When seeing for 20 years, how the grandmother was? She has been wrinkled. Wrinkled means what? Avanga skin ella eppadi irukku? Surkama irukku solranga. Okay va? People said that she had once been young and pretty and had even had a husband. What the people used to say? Your grandmother was very young and pretty, and had even had a husband also. She was having a husband in her youth. How she was looking? She will be very young as well as pretty and had a husband. But that was hard to believe. But what he is saying, that Kushwant Singh, he can't believe. It is very hard for him to believe. My grandfather's portrait hung above the mantelpiece. What is the meaning for mantelpiece, ma? In the photo frame, we will say, no, then the photo frame, the portrait of the hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. In the drawing room, the grandfather's picture is being hung on the mantelpiece. He wore a big turban and loose fitting clothes. In that photo, how he was being? He wore a big turban. Turban na nama and thalappa solrom illaya, that is called as turban. And loose fitting clothes, and all his clothes were being very loose. His long white beard covered the best part of his chest. So white beard na enadhu? Dadi covered the best part of his chest. His white beard was up to his chest. And he looked at least 100 years old. How the grandfather was being? He was seeing like a 100 years old man. Okay, ma? He did not look the sort of a person he would have wife or children. We can't believe that person. He maybe got married and he is having a wife or a children, because his atmosphere was like that. Okay, his physical fitness was like that. He was wearing a big turban, loose fitting clothes. So when people are seeing him newly, in the photo, they used to think that he was not married at all. But actually he is married. He had a wife and also he had a children. He looked as if he could only have lots and lots of grandchildren. While seeing how he will be, how the appearance will be, his appearance will be like he will be having lot and lot of grandchildren. As for my grandmother. Okay, ma? Up to this, can you understand? If you have any doubt, just underline the words and keep. When you come to the class, I will clarify your doubts. Okay, next para. My grandmother being young and pretty, the thought was almost revolting. She often told us of the game she used to play as a child. When the grandmother was a child, she used to tell about the play as a child. That seemed quite absurd and undignified on her part, and we treated it like the fables of the prophets she used to tell us. So what the grandmother used to tell? She used to tell fables. Fables means what we saw in the meaning. It is the stories or tales. She used to tell the tales and stories to her. Stories to who? To the Kushwant Singh. She had always been short and fat and slightly bent. How the grandmother's appearance was? She had been short and slightly bent. She had been short, fat and slightly bent. Konjam valancha mari irundangla. Okay va? Her face was crisscross of wrinkles running. How her face was? It was crisscross of wrinkles running. Avangaloda face eppadi irundhucha? Like a crisscross wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. Not even in a single place was left. From everywhere to everywhere, crisscross of wrinkles were there. No, we were certain she had always been as we had known her. How he will be? She had always been as we had known her. Old, so terribly old that she could not have grown older. How she is? She is terribly old that she could not have grown older. She is terribly old, but she has not been grown older. She is that much active. Okay, and had stayed at the same age for 20 years. Why they are saying that she was aged for 20 years? Actually, she has been bent and she is having the crisscross wrinkles in her thing, and also they are saying she is the same age for 20 years because she was that much active. Okay, ma? Next, she could never have been pretty. From my childhood, I have never seen my grandma pretty at all. She was always having the crisscross wrinkles. Next, but she was always beautiful. How she was? She was not pretty, but she was so beautiful. She hobbled about the house in spotless white with one hand resting on her waist to balance a stoop on the other, telling the beads of her rosary. So what she is doing? She hobbled about the house in spotless white with one hand resting on her waist to balance a stoop and to do. So for the support she will be walking like that. Okay, ma? So you can see how the grandmother's appearance is. Okay, this is the appearance. So this appearance they are describing here. Okay, next. Her silver locks were scattered untidy over her pale, puckered face, and her lips constantly moved in inaudible. His lips will be always moving in an inaudible thing. Okay. inaudible upon in the morning and get me ready for school. Always she will be talking something, the lips will be always moving in the morning and getting me ready for school. The grandmother is making the Khushwant Singh to get ready for the school. She said the morning prayer in a monotonous sing song while she bathed and dressed me in the hope. While she is making that Khushwant Singh to get ready, no, she will be murmuring. Monotonous means what? She will be saying slowly that the morning prayer, okay ma'am, by singing a song, sing song monotonous, okay ma'am. While she bathed and dressed me in the hope that I would listen and get to know it by heart. Why she is doing like that? While bathing and dressing, when the grandma is doing like that, Khushwant Singh also can learn something through that sing song, okay. I listened because I loved her voice but never bothered to learn it. I listened to her, okay, because of what? Because I love her voice. Her voice is so sweet, so I love her voice, but I never bothered to learn it. I love her voice, I listen it, okay, but I have never tried to learn it. I will listen, but I will not, what I will not do? I will never learn it, okay ma'am. Then she would fetch my wooden slate which she had already washed and plastered with yellow chalk. What she will be doing while going? Nowadays, while you are coming to the school, you are having your bag and full of books, no? In those days, what they were using? They were using only the wooden slate. So then she would fetch my wooden slate which she had already washed, which the slate will be washed and plastered with yellow chalk, and the chalk piece has been plastered with what color is the chalk piece? The chalk piece is in yellow color. A tiny earthen ink pot under red pen, and what it will be there? A tiny earthen ink pot under red pen. Tie them all in a bundle and hand it to me. So while going to school, what all the things she is giving? Washed slate, washed wooden slate, next yellow chalk, then tiny earthen ink pot and a red pen, all tying in them in a bundle and handing to him, okay ma, to him, to whom? To Khushwant Singh. After a breakfast of a thick stale chapati, and the breakfast will be a thick stale chapati with a little butter and sugar spread on it. She will be giving a chapati as a breakfast. In that chapati, what she will be giving? Little butter and sugar spread on it. And we went to school. So taking all these things, we went to school. She carried several stale chapatis with her for the village dog. So according to this, again what this grandma is doing? She is carrying some stale chapatis with her. Okay ma, she is having some stale chapatis for her the village dogs. While we are going in the streets, no, some dogs will be following, no, so to throw for that, for feeding for the dogs, she is carrying some chapatis with the grandma, okay. My grandmother always went to school with me because the school was attached to the temple. And while the Khushwant Singh is going to the school, no, my grandmother also used to come to the school. Why? Because the school is very attached to the temple. The priest taught us the alphabet and the morning prayer. Priest na yarmanga. The priest means what? The priest taught us the alphabet and the morning prayer. So what the priest is teaching him? To the Khushwant Singh, he is teaching the alphabet and the morning prayer. While the children sat in the rows on their side of the veranda singing the alphabet on the prayer in the chorus. So we will be sitting in the veranda. We have no classrooms, okay ma. While Khushwant Singh was reading, there was no classrooms. He was sitting in the veranda and they were singing the alphabet or the prayer in a chorus, okay. My grandmother sat inside reading the scriptures. So what, during that time, grandmother will be sitting inside and reading the scriptures. When we had both finished, we would walk back together. After finishing the class and after she finished the prayers, we both, what we will be doing? We will be walking back together. This time the village dogs would meet us to the temple door. So this time what way they will be doing? The dogs will be coming and meeting them at the temple door. They followed us to our home growling and fighting with each other for the chapati we threw to them. So when they both are going, no, grandmother and Khushwant Singh, who is following according to them? The dogs in the villages are following to the grandma. Why? Because of that chapati, okay ma. You can see the dogs when we are going and keeping the food in the street, no, we can see the dogs growling and fighting like that. What is these dogs are also doing? They are coming growling and fighting with each other for the chapati we threw to them. Can you understand up to this? When my parents were comfortably settled in the city, they sent for us. The Kushwant Singh is staying only with the grandmother. The parents were been settled in the city. Kushwant Singh parents were settled in the city. They sent for us. That was a turning point in our friendship. As the parents are in the city, who is becoming very friendship? That was a turning point. For friendship means what? So that the grandmother and grandson has been a very good friends. Okay, ma. Although we shared the same room, my grandmother no longer came to school with me. What you're saying? So up to this, can you understand? Up to this, they were in the villages. Who was going? Grandmother and the Kushwant Singh were going to the temple. Near to the temple, the school was there. They used to sit in the veranda, and they will be having the priest will be teaching the alphabets and the prayers. They will be saying in a chorus. While going home again, they will be what they will be doing? They will be throwing chapatis to the street dogs. So like this the things are going on. When the Kushwant Singh is going to the school, the grandmother will get ready with bathing and thing. While bathing, she will be singing a song, monotonous song, so that the Kushwant Singh can learn something. But she will listen, but he will not learn because he loved that voice, but he is not interested in learning. Okay, ma. So up to this, they are saying about the village story. From this, when my parents were comfortably settled in the city, now the parents have been settled in the city comfortably. Okay, ma. So the parents were not with them in the village. Now the grandmother and the Kushwant Singh is coming to the city. As the parents are settled in the city, they sent for us. That was turning point in our friendship. So because of that, what was happening, we will see. Although we shared the same room, my grandmother no longer came to school with me. Even though the grandmother and the grandson was staying in the same room, here what happened? Grandmother didn't go and drop the Kushwant Singh in school because I used to go to one English school. Where he used to go? Kushwant Singh used to go to one English school in a motor bus. So when the children used to study in English school, what happened? They used to come and pick the motor bus. Motor bus means what, ma? You know the school bus, no? That is called as motor bus. There were no dogs in the streets and she took to feeding sparrows. So in the cities, what was not found? There were no dogs. Okay, ma? There were no dogs in the streets. So instead of feeding the dog, what she started doing? She started feeding the sparrows in the courtyard of our city house. So courtyard means what? Number veranda solron, that is called. So she started feeding sparrows in the courtyard of our city house. Is it clear? Up to this, can you understand, ma? Hope you all have understood up to this. So just go through the pages and write the homework what I have given. Write the meanings for each and every difficult meanings, difficult letters and spellings what you are feeling. So if you have any doubt, you can come and clarify in my class, ma. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. From the day one, start reading. All the best. Thank you.
லட்சியம் எங்கள் கண்ணிலே நிறைவேறிடும் அந்த நாளிலே உலகம் போற்றிடும் எங்கள் பள்ளியே எஸ்ஆர்டி. கல்வி பண்புகளை கண்ணில போற்று கலைகள் யாவையும் கைவசமாக்கு பள்ளியின் பெயரை கேட்டால் சொல்லு எஸ்ஆர்டி. ஒரே லட்சியம் எங்கள் கண்ணிலே நிறைவேறிடும் அந்த நாளிலே உலகம் போற்றிடும் எங்கள் பள்ளியே எஸ்ஆர்டி. கல்வி பண்புகளை கண்ணின போற்று கலைகள் யாவையும் கைவசமாக்கு பள்ளியின் பெயரை கேட்டால் சொல்லு எஸ்ஆர்டி.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2 Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3 Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dilliyanur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.